Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. As you know, I've been sewing for a few years now, and my channel is all about sharing tips and tricks I learned along the way, styling my finished project, and slowly build a handmade wardrobe. Let's talk the RūtaGreDesign dress that I made last year off my summer fashion mood board. I was inspired by this dress that I saw on Pinterest last year. However, I do not sew without a pattern, to be honest. Well, at least last year I wasn't confident enough to sew without a pattern. I was searching on Etsy, and I found this lady that created patterns for specific dresses, and she had this particular dress. Now I really want to shout her out and place her name in the description box, but I believe that the store doesn't exist anymore. And this is a layout of the pattern, and it consists of 10 pattern pieces. The only thing, it did not come with sewing instructions, so do keep that in mind. I made size extra small. I think it's interesting for me to show you how I figure it out. So the front is cut on the single side of the fabric. There is one wider side of the shoulder and one side that is not. Because on the side that is not, that is where the flounces are attached and the extra pattern piece on this sheet right here. The flounces are double fabric, so the wrong side is on the inside of these flounces, and it is sewn all across. Counts for both of them. What you have is a seam. You have two seams in one of the shoulders. So you have a seam. The first seam is the bodice attaching to the single piece, the single shoulder piece, and wedged in between is the first flounce, and then the second part is wedged. So the second flounce is wedged between the sleeve and the middle part of the shoulder. The flounce is then attached on one end in the side seams right here, and on the other side it is attached in the sleeve, so right there. This is my favorite part, and that is showcasing my finished project, you guys. This dress is everything, and it is a simple dress. It is definitely a stealth dress, but what makes it interesting is this shoulder action going on, and it is two volant, I believe. Maybe I'm saying the Dutch name. I'm going to definitely look for the English name. On the shoulder with a little piece in the middle that gives it a little more distance, but that is the entire thingy. There's not much to it. It has a invisible zipper, it has a split in the back, and I wore it with my nude shoes, and these are the Buffalo London leather shoes. I bought them from Zalando and that's my go-to store for shoes. I am not going to do the traditional thing and step on a stool so you could see the entire outfit, because I did not shave my legs and we want to keep it cute. The dress is a little below my knee, and that's about it, you guys. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Subscribe and thumbs up the video. Have a great day. Bye.